see everyone is in good health. Nice, nice. Would you like to tell me your name, Nokia 6 plus 1? You have to rename yourself once you enter with your name. What is your name? Your name, please. Nokia. Abdul Hadi. Abdul Hadi. When you enter the class, you have to rename yourself. Abdul Hadi, okay?
Okay.
Good, good, very good. Now, everyone, today is ICT day. Yes, Haya. Haya is already ready. Everyone, are you ready? Are you ready to do the ICT? You must have an ICT copy and books. Yes, thank you, Haya. You are so good. You already prepared the ICT books and copy. Everyone, just like her, you have to have an ICT book and ICT copy with you once you enter in my class right now, okay? Yeah, that's right, Ishil. That's the book I'm talking about. Keyboard Book 1, Chapter number 1. We are going to read Chapter number 1 today. And we also going to write down syllabus for the fall term. This is the first time you are going to write in your ICT copy. Do you get the ICT copy from your school? It must be one interleaf page and one English writing. The page of the copy of ICT will be one interleaf on one side and the 4 lines on one side. Bring out your ICT copy. We are going to write the syllabus for the fall term. And what you do, the first thing is you have to write down the subject title, which is ICT. Okay? The subject title for your ICT copy is ICT. Do not write computer, write ICT. Yes, that's the book, chapter number 1, Ishal. But we are going to write down syllabus for the fall term first in your ICT copy. So bring out your ICT copy, everyone. Oh, Abdul Hadi is already ready. Oh, Hamza also got the copy. Yes, Ishal also got the copy. Can you show me the first page? You have to leave the very first page of your ICT copy. We don't work on the first page. Open your copy and show it to me. Is it the interleaf one? Just like a science copy, you must have an ICT copy. Is the one side is an interleaf and one side is the 4 lines. Yes. Amza, let me see your copy. Yeah, that's the copy I'm talking about. Everyone, see, it should be one side interleaf and one side 4 lines. That's right. Good, good. Now, all of you, what you're gonna do is, oh, fall term heading Ishal Azam, you have already write it down. Good job. Very nice, everyone. Ishal Azam, can you show it to everyone right again? That you already write it down the fall term title page. Wow, thank you, Ishal. Now, everyone, let's write it down in the second page. 4 lines. You have to leave the very first page. Yes, Abish, good one. Those who didn't get the copy, you can write it down in the rough copy. Then once you get the copy from a school, you can write it down in the copy later. Okay, Hamza? Yes, good, good. Okay, everyone, let's write it down. I'm going to write it down over here for you. So copy me in your ICT copy, okay? Just like I'm writing it down, you also write it over here. This is the 4 lines copy, sorry. This is the blank page. Consider it's a whiteboard and I'm writing it down for you. This is the first line. What you're going to do is, this line is already drawn in your copy. I'm drawing it for myself. Now, first thing you will do is you will write down the date on the left side of your page, which is 11 September 2020. I don't have space that much, so I'm moving it over here. You can write it down over here as well. Write down the date on the left side of your page, 11 September 2020. Now, in the 4 lines, in the very first 4 lines, you have to write down fall term syllabus. This will be here in the 4 lines, okay? Do not write in between 4 lines. Write it down in the 4 lines. First, you write down the date on the left side of your page, and then you have to write down fall term syllabus. Fall term syllabus in 4 lines. Good. Everyone is working very hard. Very nice. Good job. Nice, nice. Now next is chapter number 1. You have to write on the 4 lines, remember, okay? Do not write in between lines. Chapter number 1. Then once you write down chapter number 1, you have to write down the chapter heading on the next line. Okay, next line. Do not write on the same line. Write it down on the next line, which is a computer. Now next line, chapter number 2. In the next line, you write down chapter number 2. Write down these things on the 4 lines, okay? Do not write in between 4 lines. Write these things on the 4 lines. It's my whiteboard to write down on your 4 lines. Parts of a computer. Everyone, you have to write down 4 lines. I'm keep reminding you that you have to write down 4 lines, okay? Write down in 4 lines. Do not write in between lines. Any question you can ask me. I'm repeating it again. Fall term syllabus. Chapter number 1, a computer. Chapter number 2, parts of a computer. Once you are done, you can raise your hand, or you have any question, you can raise your hand. Very nice. Well done. Everyone is working very hard. Zoha, do you have a question? Let me unmute you first. Yes.
Miss, good afternoon.
Good
Miss,
afternoon.
What are you writing?
We are writing fall term syllabus in ICT copy. You have to leave the very first page. You have to write down fall term syllabus on the second page of ICT copy. And you have to write down these things on the 4 lines.
ICT copy.
ICT copy, yes. You will get ICT copy from your school.
Copy.
It should be the copy, one interleaf page copy. One inside it should be interleaf, and one side it should be.
You want to write this copy?
Yes. This is my whiteboard, so I'm writing on whiteboard. You have to write down in your ICT copy.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else you like to ask, Zoha? No? Okay. Who else have a questions? Oh, Anam Azam has a question. Yes, Anam. Anam, are you done?
Excuse me, teacher, इनका नाम इशार आजम है, please.
Okay, next time you log in, rename it. So because I'm going to call the name which is showing over here. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Let me rename Ishal Azam.
और इनका वर्क देख लीजिए, please.
Sure, sure. Show it to me on the screen. Nice. Very nice. Very neat and clean. Good work, Ishil. Good job. Good job. Very nice. Thank you. You are done with such a beautiful work. Anyone else? Oh, Jannat is also done. Yes, Jannat. Done. A little bit closer to the camera, please. Nice.
Yeah, teacher, I have done.
Okay, I can see it, but can you bring the copy a little bit closer to the camera? I want to see it. Closer to the camera. You did you write it in the rough copy?
Yes.
Okay, okay, that's why. But try, when you once you write in the ICD copy, write in the 4 lines, okay? And leave the space in between lines. Do not write in between lines, okay, Jannat? Good. That's good. Good work. Chapter number 1, a computer. Next line, please. Chapter number 2, next line, parts of a computer. That's how you follow the pattern. Anyone else have done it? Adil Khan. Are you a new student, Adil? Unmute your mic, please, Adil. Adil Khan, can you hear me? Seems like he's not hearing me. Abdul Hadi, okay, let's me see. Yes, Abdul Hadi. Unmute.
Teacher, I am
Yes,
showing you.
let me see. Yeah, wow. A little bit closer to the camera, please. Nice. Good job. Very nice. The one should not be down below. Use 3 lines. One. Do not use the complete 4 lines pattern. You have to write down one from first line to the third line.
Parts.
Abdul Hadi, you didn't write a part of a computer. Also, the one you have write down chapter number 1, it's incorrect. 1 is the wrong. Corrected number 1. Number 1 should be only in the 3 lines, not on the 4 complete lines. It is going out of the line. Can you correct it now?
Teacher, my mama don't know what to do in 1 line.
In 4 lines, you have 4 lines. You only have to write down in 3 lines, okay? Okay.
What can I?
Yes, Tabish. Show it to me a little bit closer, Tabish. Abdul Hadi, you can watch others' work as well. Those who are done it rightly, you can see it. Yes, Tabish, I see it. Very nice. Good job, Tabish. Well done.
टीचर
Yes,
पहला पहले पेपर है उसके अंदर क्या करना है
first paper, you just leave it. We don't work on the first paper. Okay? It look good and it look also safety for your paper. Most of the time, we lost the first paper, so we don't work on the very first paper. Okay, Tabish? Everyone's done with the fall term syllabus. Chapter number 1 in the next line. A computer in the next line. Chapter number 2 in the next line. And parts of a computer in the next line. All you have to do is write down in the 4 lines. Okay. Those who are done writing these things, they can make a title page for fall term in front of the interleaf page. You have an interleaf page on the left side, right? You can write down fall term and make it look like a beautiful title page. Those who are done, they can write down fall term in a very beautiful page. And in the very next page, in the interleaf side, you can also write down chapter number 1 title page. I'll show you how to make a title page once everyone is done, okay? Yes, Haya, are you done? Wow, very nice. But don't do the coloring on the four lines. Do the coloring on the interleave. When you make a title page, you can do the coloring on the title page. And do not use marker, everyone. Do not use color pencils on four lines. It's okay. It's fine. It's the first time, so it's okay. It's okay, Vita. It's okay. No, nobody knows it. It's the first time you are writing, so it's very fine with me. But next time, once you write down in the four lines, you can't use color pencils, only pencils. You can use color pencil on your title page when you're writing. Very nice. Aishal Azam, you also use the color pencil on the four lines. Next time, do not use color pencil on the four lines, okay? This is the first time, so I'm okay with it. Oh, Hunana Zadi also use color pencils. Hunana, no, it's a big no. Okay, everyone. Okay, you have got the instructions from me. Nobody's used color pencils on your four lines copy. Okay, you no markers. Only color pencil on the title page. On the interleaf page, once you write down, you can use color pencil on the interleaf side. No four lines, color pencil. Very nice. Oh, Hamza Salman is also done. Nice, Hamza. Very good. Very neat handwriting. Good job. Welcome. 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 Most welcome. Yes. Abdul Hadi, you are also done. Let me see.
Yes, teacher, I'm done.
Wow. Nice. Good job. Yeah. This is how I'm talking about. Good job. Good. Good. Very nice. All of you. Who's done? Zuha, you done? Stop playing. Show it to me your ICT copy. You're done. Show it to me your ICT copy. Most of the students are done. Umehani, you are also done. Hunana Zadi done. Okay, Hunana, let me see. A little bit closer, please. Closer to the camera, Hunana. It's very far. I cannot see it. Bring your copy closer to the camera. All right. Nice. Nice. Good job. Very nice. The title page is very nice also. Good work. Who else was showing it to me? Yes, Zoha. Would you like to show me your art ICD copy? Zoha?
What?
Would you like to show me your ICT copy? You have done your writing of fall term syllabus in your ICT copy?
No.
Why no? Everyone is writing it down. What are you waiting for?
This is for writing.
Yes.
Sorry, I'm doing.
Oh, all right. Oh, Abdul Hadi, no coloring on the four lines. Next time, everyone, remember this thing. You are not allowed to use color pencil on the four lines, okay? On the four line page, no coloring, no markers. Markers overall, you are not allowed to use markers. No glitter pencils, okay? Remember the instructions and follow the instruction very carefully. You can use the color pencils only on the title page, on the interleaf page, okay? Once you're writing down the title page or you're writing down or drawing something on the title page, you can do color pencils. You can do coloring and a lot of drawings. But other than that, you are not allowed to use color pencils on four line page. The simple pencils. Okay, good. Zoa, hurry up. We have only 5 minutes. You can take a picture of it and write it down in your ICT copy. I think it will be more convenient for you right now. Okay, Zoha, take a picture of the screen so that you can write. You have to leave the very first page. Okay, and the second page, you have to write down the fall term syllabus. Yes, Zoha?
Miss,
Yes?
this is the activity page. Look.
Yes, yes, the four line ones. Yes, yes, this one. Write it down on this page. Write down the date on the left side. and then write down fall term syllabus on the 4 lines. Then chapter 1 number 1 on the second line, third line a computer, 4 line chapter number 2, and the 5th line parts of a computer. That's it. Zoha, take a picture of it. We won't have so much time, so you will miss this. Yes, Abdul Hadi. Anyone else have a question? Abdul Hadi, would you like to have any question? You raise your hand.
मैंने कलर पेंसिल यूज किया टीचर.
That's what I'm telling you, that you are not allowed to use color pencil on this page. 4 lines, you are not allowed. It's okay. It's the first time, but remember, you are not allowed to use color pencils. I'm reminding you. Okay, everyone? Okay, the next thing we do is we are going to open the book, chapter number 1. We are going to read it. Jannah, do you have a book? Can you read chapter number 1, first paragraph? Loud and clear. Oh, Ishal Hamid has a book right now in her hand. So, Ishal Hamid, would you like to read the first paragraph of chapter number 1?
Put it down the book. Now.
Yes,
Read
Ishal,
it.
we can hear you all now. So, read it loud, everyone.
I am
Google.
I am Google.
Okay. Hi, I am Google.
I am Google.
I'm going to
I'm going to
Yes.
tell you
tell you
about a
about a
very smart machine
very smart machine
called the
called the computer.
yes.
Good, Ishal, good. Next.
Next.
Who would like
Next.
to read next? Haya Saleh, would you like to read? Okay, Haya, you go ahead. Read where Ishal Hamid left.
But first,
But first,
Good.
do you know
what machines are?
what machine are?
A machine.
A machine.
Machines are things
Machines are things
made by us.
made by us.
They made our work
They made our work
easier.
easier.
You must have
You must have
already
seen
many machines.
many machines.
Some of them
Some of them
are given here,
are in here,
just like scissor,
just like scissors,
toaster,
toaster,
car,
car,
a pair of scissors
or pair of scissors
is a
is a
simple
simple
machine.
machine.
Good
Used
job,
to
Haya. Well done.
To
Let's move to
paper
the
or
next person, Haya. Thank you.
prepare food.
Who else want to read? Yes, Tabish wants to read. Yes, Tabish. Start reading from where Haya left.
Machine make our work easy. Machines are made by humans.
Very good. But can you read from books? Can you read the chapter number 1 where Haya Saleh left? Can you read from there?
So number 1.
Chapter number 1, Haya was reading and she left. Then you have to start reading from there. You were not reading from the book? Oh no. Anyone else watching it? Okay, Umme Hani wants to read. Yes, Umme Hani. Start reading.
टीचर अभी वो फोटो हमका वो बनाना है टाइटल पेज.
Yes, you can make a title page of fall term in front of the fall term syllabus. Okay?
मिस हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम
Walsam.
मिस ये वही आपने कलर पेंसिल उसमें हम यूज तो कर सकते हैं ना क्या नाम है पहला हम जो बनाएंगे
Fall term
अभी क्या बोला था
title
टाइटल
page.
पेज
Yes, you can use color
नहीं
pages
नहीं
on
टाइटल
title.
पेज में हम कलर पेंसिल यूज
Yes. On title
ओके,
pages.
उसके अलावा जो भी हमने लिखा है
No, not on writing.
सिलेबस में यूज नहीं करना है।
No, not on 4 lines. We
ओके
never
ओके
use
ओके
color pencils or marker on 4 lines. Okay?
ओके
Okay.
ओके, मतलब
Yes? Sorry. You can unmute. Yes? You are saying something else? Nothing? Okay. Who else wants to read? Hamza, would you like to continue the reading? Do you have a book? Haya was reading the machine. Oh, the time's up. Oh no, the time's up. Everyone, this is the end of the class right now. I'm taking your questions if you have the last time, and then I hope you guys will read in your home chapter number 1. And then what you want to do is underline the difficult words which you find it, you don't understand it, underline it, and I'll ask you about it in the next class. Okay, we'll discuss it and we'll read it and we'll understand this chapter number 1. Okay, so read the chapter number 1, underline the sentences or the words you find difficult. Okay, I'll ask you in the next slide, did you read it or not? Did you underline it or not? Okay, read it, underline the difficult words. Okay, we'll discuss it and we'll know what this is chapter about, and we'll start working on copy as well. So everyone, bring your ICT copy and book with you next time when you join in. Okay, everyone? Good. Everyone, you have done a great job today. Thank you for joining my class. Till then, take care. See you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.